CLONEit works only on Android and often crashes with big files, so switching to iPhone can be tricky. In this video, we'll show you 6 better alternatives that work on both Android and iOS for smooth, hassle-free transfers. Top 1. Best CLONEit alternative: MobiKin Transfer for Mobile. MobiKin Transfer for mobile Windows and Mac offers broader compatibility, working across Android and iOS, unlike CLONEit's Android-only limitation. How to use: install MobiKin Transfer for Mobile on PC. Connect both phones. USB debugging on Android, trust on iPhone. Make sure source is left, target right, flip if needed. Select data types and click Start Copy. Top 2. MobiKin Assistant for Android. MobiKin Assistant for Android, Windows, Mac is more versatile than CLONEit, allowing Android to PC management in addition to transfer. It ensures higher stability and reduces errors by providing both USB and wireless connection options. Top 3. Copy My Data. Copy My Data performs better in terms of cross-platform compatibility. Since it works on both Android and iOS, it has a large user base due to its simplicity and reliability, making it a trusted choice. Top 4. ShareMe. ShareMe is more popular and widely supported than CLONEit. With a larger user base across Android devices, it provides a faster and more stable connection through QR codes and Wi-Fi Direct. Top 5. App Cloner. App Cloner excels where CLONEit cannot compete, offering app duplication and customization that goes beyond simple data transfer. Its overall stability and control features give users more flexibility with app usage. Top 6. Smart Data Transfer. Smart Data Transfer offers better cross-platform support for Android and iPhone, which CLONEit lacks. Its design focuses on stability and user-friendliness, ensuring fewer errors during transfers.